Good morning. It's been raining all night, most of the morning. Got a brief spot where the cloud's out. I don't know if you can see in the video behind me, just all the water droplets on the tree, kind of reflected in the sun a little bit. Feels good for a moment, other than being wet. That part's never any fun. That's the direction I'm headed up. Most of the morning, it's kind of been up. Whew. Turn the camera. And quiet, you can just hear all the water falling from the trees. Alright, we'll see you down the trail. So this is the trail. The water's just running right down here. That brief bit of sun didn't last too long. As you can see, still foggy, misty, plenty of water just running down the trail. At least this ain't one of the muddy spots. This ain't too hard to deal with. Big step there. Look at it. Water just running down the rock. Shit. Phew. What fun. So I guess the next shelter is like possibly 4 miles or so. Oh, shit. And then there's another one. It's out past that. Another 4. So the first one will get me a 10-mile day. The second will get me 14. Provided I got the time and everything due to all this rain making a mud, slowing things down. I'm slow enough on uphills, but wet feet. Oh, they've been wet. That just running right on down. So, all right, I'll let you guys go again for now. We'll check back later. So here's a deer up by the shelter. I made it up the shelter. It's a rainy, nasty day. Looks like I'm only going to do about 9 miles today. I'm not playing around in the rain no more. I had enough of it. But I was trying to see if I can collect a little bit of wood. See if I can get a fire going. And I saw this. Thought it was pretty cool. Yep, look at that. Just looking at me. That would be a buck. He's not running off. That's a surprise. He's staying right there. I'll zoom in a little bit here. You can see he's starting. He's got his little antlers sticking up. They're small. Oh, there's another down there. Yeah, a little foggy. It's past that other tree. I don't know if it's showing up in the video. So, alright. We'll talk with you later.